to the 32nd Regional Science Bowl competition. We are gathered here in the vibrant heart of Los Angeles, where brilliant minds from all corners of the city have converged to turn this place into a battleground of science, technology, engineering, and math. So let's get ready as we delve into the bowl. Beyond the thrill of competition, LADWP understands the importance of investing in the future generations of scientists and innovators. By supporting events like the Science Bowl, the department aims to inspire and empower young minds to explore the wonders of science and technology. After all, these students are not just the scientists of tomorrow, they are the ones who will shape the future of our world. Each year, the LADWP Science Bowl brings a fresh and exciting twist by introducing a unique theme crafted by the department. Some of the past themes include Science Sparks Imagination, the 50th anniversary of the moon landing, saluting medical professionals, scientists, and essential workers combating COVID-19, inspiring the future, one imagination at a time, theory of gravity, 350-year anniversary, 50th anniversary of Earth Day, our Earth, our responsibility.
This year is unique and it's special because this is the first year that we're actually, the themes coming from the students from the schools. About a few years ago, at the final round competition, the moderator asked the kids for their favorite scientists. And these kids just came up with names of people that I've never even heard of. And that's really what gave me the idea to ask the committee to go out to the schools and have the kids submit the themes for each year.
We decided to submit a theme idea for the Science Bowl competition because we wear school uniforms, and on Spirit Wear days we get to wear Spirit Wear shirts, and we always choose to wear Science Bowl shirts, and we thought that it would be a fun idea to just try and submit and see what happens so that we could represent Science Bowl further.
When we were thinking of the theme, we were brainstorming and we decided to go to the bathroom, and we saw ants walking along the side of the bathroom, around the bathroom, and we thought it was really cool how they were able to accomplish tasks that would be nearly impossible for them to accomplish on their own as a team. And it made us think of how in Science Bowl we work together to answer questions and overall accomplish more that we wouldn't be able to accomplish if we were on our own.
No doubt the Gala students were the winners of the first theme competition, Power in Numbers. Sounds like teamwork is vital to success.
Power in Numbers is a great theme because it encourages teamwork, which is essential to this competition and to real-life situations.
LADWP leads today's youth and young adults to be better versions of themselves. This event is a shining example of their belief and hope for our future. Just take a look at how the past competitors have flourished.
I am a moderator here at the LADWP Science Bowl competition. I am also a former alumni of the program, so I competed for 7 years. So from 2011 to 2016, I competed for both the middle school and the high school competition, not here in LA, but actually in Illinois. So Science Bowl is a big reason why I became an engineer. So after graduating from high school, I decided to go into environmental engineering, a lot because of being inspired by Science Bowl. So really, as one of the alumni, I like to joke that a lot of the other volunteers are here because they actually want to give their time. Here, we're just us alumni, Science Bowl can't get rid of. So we're always happy to be here and volunteering. I volunteer at basically every single weekend to work various Science Bowls around the country, and it's always great to see students succeed and try and qualify for nationals and do incredibly well.
Science Bowl is very important to me. I've been a volunteer moderator for over 10 years, and I participated in Science Bowl when I was in high school, for all 4 years of high school. I think it's a wonderful opportunity for students to surround themselves with like-minded individuals and reach their highest academic potential. For me personally, I went on to get a full-ride scholarship for college and go to medical school. I received my medical degree a couple years ago, and now I'm in training to be a physician in radiology. I think high school students have a great opportunity to surround themselves with great people in Science Bowl and be inspired to reach really cool dreams.
I am a moderator here at LADWP. I've been doing this for 20 years. I also competed 31 years ago with Venice High School, where we run the regional competition. After high school, I went to Berkeley and majored in molecular cell biology, then got a PhD in genetics. Then I decided to go to law school and studied to become a patent attorney. So I still use science and technology and helping people out with their inventions. And Science Bowl has just been a great vehicle for knowing that it's something that I've always been passionate about, something that I want to continue with to my current career.
So I'm a moderator at the LADWP Science Bowl this year. My first time volunteering here was in 2020, so I've been doing this a couple of times. I went to high school at Harvard-Westlake High School and competed in Science Bowl while I was there, and actually won the regional competition here in 2014. So I was sitting at one of the seats behind me here, and honestly, it was just a great time, big part of my high school experience. I've always found it really cool that I was able to be a part of Science Bowl, and I'm glad that I can help other people do that too, because I think it's really important to at least know a little bit about a lot of different things, see how a lot of things come together. I work as a climate action instructor now, helping people make a career pivot into climate change kind of work. And being able to take a systems view and know a bit about a bunch of different areas is very helpful, especially when you see how things come together. So I'm really happy I'm able to be here and help other people, have a good experience, have fun, and hopefully take that with them as they go forward too.
I'm currently a biology teacher for Cleveland Charter High School, and I'm the Science Bowl coach for Cleveland Charter High School. When I was in high school at Granada Hills Charter High School, back in 2012, I was also part of our Science Bowl team, and we competed here at regionals as well. Science Bowl really influenced me to pursue a career in biology, and I later became a biology teacher because of my passion for it.
I was a participant in the very first Science Bowl in 1993. I was a student at Narbonne High School, which is in Harbor City, which is a math science magnet. And after that, I studied science, I studied molecular biology in college, and I became a teacher. And I just love being a part of the Science Bowl program and seeing the successes of my students in Science Bowl, and also after, it just leads them to great things.
As the competition heats up, one thing becomes clear. The stakes are high, the questions are challenging, and the competition is fierce. But it's not just about winning. It's about embracing the spirit of STEM and working together towards a common goal. After all, as they say, there's power in numbers. And now, as we head into the final round of the LADWP Science Bowl, it's a testament to the dedication, teamwork, and perseverance of these young scientists. Who will emerge victorious and claim the title of Science Champions? Let's find out together.
This is the LADWP Finals. We have Northern Hollywood Team A in the Team A position, and we have Science Academy Team A in the Team B position. Alrighty, and if Northern Hollywood wins this game, they advance to nationals. If our challenger, Science Academy, wins this game, they will have to face one more round against Northern Hollywood to advance to nationals. Alrighty, with that being said, Science Academy, are you ready to begin the final round?
I think we're ready.
Fantastic. And Northern Hollywood, are you guys ready to begin the final round? Good luck. Fantastic. And so we will begin the final round of the LADWP Science Bowl right at the start at Toss-Up 1. Toss-Up 1 is in chemistry multiple choice. Which of the following elements has the lowest first ionization energy? W, aluminum, X, silicon, Y, nitrogen. Interrupt, A3.
Z
is incorrect. I'll reread the question in its entirety to team B. Which of the following elements has the lowest first ionization energy? W, aluminum, X, silicon, Y, nitrogen, Z, carbon. B, captain.
W
is the correct answer for 4 points. Team B's bonus is in chemistry short answer. The rate of a fusion of an ideal gas is proportional to its molar mass raised to what power?
Oh, isn't it the -1/2?
Wait, yeah, it's
negative 1/2.
Negative 1/2.
Yeah,
because
negative
it's
1/2.
under.
Over square root.
It's square root.
Over square root, but they're flipped.
Yes, because it's the square root of the whole thing.
Yeah. So -1/2. Yes. Yeah. -1/2
is the correct answer for 10 points. Toss-up question 2 is in math short answer. What is 52 times 82? Be captain.
4,264
is the correct answer for 4 points. Team B's bonus is in math short answer. What is the volume generated when the triangle bounded by y equals 2x, x equals 3, and the x-axis is rotated about the y-axis?
About the y-axis. Okay, so
it's 2
pi.
It's a cylinder minus a cone.
Square.
It's a cylinder minus a cone with radius 3, so 9 pi.
Shell method.
No, it's just. So isn't it just like
54 pi?
Isn't it just Shoot.
5 seconds.
What should I say?
Two-thirds of 54.
36 pi.
Is the correct answer for 10 points. Right at the last second, we move to toss-up question 3 for both teams, which is in biology, short answer. Syphilis, Lyme disease, and leptospirosis are all caused by bacteria from what group? Interrupt B2.
Lice.
Is incorrect. I'll reread the question in its entirety for Team A. Syphilis, Lyme disease, and leptospirosis are all caused by bacteria from what group, distinguished by their corkscrew shape? A2.
Spirochete.
Is the correct answer for 4 points. Team A's bonus is in biology multiple choice. For germination to proceed, seeds must often be soaked in water to induce which of the following main physical changes? W. Dissolving of starch deposits. X. Breaking of the seed coat. Y. Introducing of minerals to the aleurone layer. Z. Increasing of turgor pressure in the cotyledon cells.
What was why? Increasing what in
Mineral.
mineral?
It's not that.
X then?
X? Are we sure it's not W? Okay, X.
5 seconds.
X?
Is the correct answer for 10 points. That moves us to toss-up question 4 for both teams in Earth and Space short answer. What is the magnification of a telescope with a primary mirror focal length of 60 centimeters and an eyepiece focal length of 0.8 centimeters? B3
480?
is incorrect. A captain
75?
is the correct answer. That awards Team A their bonus, which is an Earth and Space short answer. Identify all of the following 3 stars that are composed of degenerate matter. 1. White dwarf. 2. Red giant. 3. Neutron star.
Wait, let's.
That's fine. 1 and 3?
Is the correct answer for 10 points. That moves us to toss-up question 5 for both teams in physics short answer. In kilogram meters squared, what is the moment of inertia of a uniform 2 kilogram disk of radius 10 centimeters? Interrupt, A captain.
100?
Is incorrect. I'll reread the question in its entirety to team B. In kilogram meters squared, what is the moment of inertia of a uniform 2 kilogram disk of radius 10 centimeters about a perpendicular axis through its center? B captain.
0.01.
Is the correct answer for 4 points. That awards Team B their bonus in physics short answer. What quantity, which is part of the Schrödinger equation in quantum mechanics, is obtained from the Lagrangian and represents total energy?
It's the Hamiltonian.
I don't know this.
It's the Hamiltonian operator.
Just say Hamiltonian.
The Hamiltonian operator. Or
Okay, just
What constant?
I think I'll just say Hamiltonian operator. Hamiltonian operator.
We'll accept it for 10 points. We would have also just accepted Hamiltonian. We move to toss-up question 6, which is an energy multiple choice. Scientists at Idaho National Lab are studying TRISO, nuclear fuel. Which of the following best describes TRISO? W, a type of nuclear fuel that is enriched with thorium. X, a type of nuclear fuel that is used exclusively in light water reactors. Y, a type of nuclear fuel that consists of small spherical particles with layers of different materials. Z, a type of nuclear fuel that is designed for use in pressurized heavy water reactors. B3
X?
is incorrect. A2
W.
is also incorrect. The correct answer, Y, a type of nuclear fuel that consists of small spherical particles. We move to toss-up question 7 for both teams in math short answer. What is the sum of the first 23 positive integer powers of the complex number I? A1
Negative I.
is incorrect. B captain
1.
is also incorrect. The correct answer, -1. With that, we move to toss-up question 8 for both teams in physics short answer. A light beam with an intensity of 3 kilowatts per square meter is normally incident on a perfectly reflective mirror. In micropascals, what is the pressure exerted by the light beam on the mirror? B captain
3.
is incorrect. A Captain
6.
is also incorrect. The correct answer, 20. With that, we move to toss-up question 9 for both teams in Earth and Space, multiple choice. A stress that acts in a direction parallel to a surface is classified as which of the following? W, compression. X, shear. A3.
X
Is the correct answer for 4 points. That awards Team A their bonus, which is an Earth and Space short answer. A rock contains 2 radioactive elements, X and Y, in equal amounts. Element Y has a half-life that is twice as long as that of element X. What is the ratio of the abundance of element X to element Y after 2 element Y half-lives?
So, wait, X, Y, right?
Oh, sure.
X and Y, right? 1 to 4.
5 seconds.
1 to 4.
Is the correct answer for 10 points. That moves us to toss-up question 20 for both teams in chemistry multiple choice. Which of the following substances has the smallest molar heat capacity? W, aluminum. X, ice. Y, liquid water. Z, table. Interrupt, B, captain.
W.
Is the correct answer for 4 points. That awards Team B their bonus, which is in chemistry multiple choice. Which of the following best describes the relationship between the standard heat of reaction for the balanced chemical equation for the Haber process and the standard heat of formation of ammonia? W, the standard heat of formation of ammonia is twice the standard heat of reaction of the Haber process. X, the standard heat of formation of ammonia is half the standard heat of the reaction of the Haber process. Y, the standard heat of formation of ammonia is equal to the standard heat of reaction of the Haber process. Z, the standard enthalpies are unrelated.
Isn't it just X?
It's X because it's half.
Yeah.
Because it creates 2 NH.
Yeah. Okay. It just, I think it's X. Yeah.
Oh, wait, no, standard. Yeah.
X.
Is the correct answer for 10 points. That is the half.
Time to get water.
So at the half, we have 64 points for our challengers, Science Academy, and 46 points for Northern Hollywood. At the half, we do have a substitution. If you'd like to introduce yourself, say your name, you're in school, and what you'd like to study. A2.
I'm Daniel. I'm a senior, and I probably like to go into pre-med.
Fantastic. Alrighty, so at the half, we finished off on question 10, so we will be resuming on question 11. One final round of checks. Science Academy, are you ready to resume?
Yes.
And Northern Hollywood, are you ready to resume? Perfect. We will restart on toss-up question 11 in energy short answer. Scientists at Brookhaven National Laboratory are studying the charged bosons that carry the weak force. What is the term for these bosons? A captain.
W boson.
Is the correct answer for 4 points. That awards Team A their bonus, which is an energy multiple choice. Scientists at Pacific Northwest National Lab are studying lithium-ion batteries. Lithium, nickel, magnesium, cobalt oxide
Repeat that question.
Let me reread. Scientists at Pacific Northwest National Lab are studying lithium-ion batteries. Lithium, nickel, manganese, cobalt oxide is commonly used as which of the following components in a battery? W, anode. X, cathode. Y, separator. Z, electrode.
Y
is incorrect. The correct answer, X, cathode. With that, we move to toss-up question 12 for both teams in biology, multiple choice. What is the term for the process by which solutes move through the cytoplasm of cells in a continuous interrupt, B3?
Osmosis?
Is incorrect. I'll reread the question in its entirety for Team A. What is the term for the process by which solutes move through the cytoplasm of cells in a continuous network of plasmodesmata without diffusion through the cell membrane? W, apoplastic transport. X, endocytosis. Y, symplastic transport. Z, exocytosis. A1
Y
is the correct answer for 4 points. Team A's bonus is in biology short answer. What part of a seed contains stored nutrients that provide energy and nutrients to the developing embryo?
endosperm.
Is the correct answer for 10 points. That moves us to toss-up question 13 for both teams in Earth and Space multiple choice. Which of the following is the strongest piece of evidence that Venus does not have plate tectonics? W, the absence of volcanoes. X, the presence of coronae. Y, the absence of basaltic rock on the surface. Z, the absence of composite volcanoes. B1
W
is incorrect. A1
Z
is the correct answer for 4 points. Team A's bonus is in Earth and space multiple choice. Which of the following is not a reason why iron meteorites are relatively common to find on Earth? W, they make up the majority of meteorfall. X, they are more resistant to weathering than stony meteorites. Y, they are much easier to distinguish from terrestrial rocks. Z, they withstand impact much better than stony meteorites.
W
Is the correct answer for 10 points. That moves us to toss-up question 14 in math short answer. If the logs of x, y, and z are 4, 5, and 6 respectively, then what is log of open parentheses x, y squared over z close parentheses? A captain.
8
Is the correct answer for 4 points. Team A's bonus is in math short answer. What is the value of x guaranteed by the mean value theorem for the function f of x equals square root of x on the closed interval from 1 to 16?
mean value theorem 1, 4, 2 over 15, 1/5. So what are you equating that? Oh, it's like 3 over 10.
5 seconds.
The cube root of 9 over 100.
Is incorrect. The correct answer, 25 over 4. With that, we move to toss-up question 15 for both teams in physics multiple choice. It is possible to levitate a frog by placing it in a strong magnetic field. Which of the following interrupt A3?
Diamagnetic?
Is incorrect. I'll reread the question in its entirety for team B. It is possible to levitate a frog by placing it in a strong magnetic field. Which of the following phenomena is responsible for this effect? W, paramagnetism. X, diamagnetism. Y, ferromagnetism. Z, superconductivity. B2
X
is the correct answer for 4 points. Team B's bonus is in physics short answer. An infinite straight wire is carrying 70 amperes of current. In Teslas, what is the magnitude of the magnetic field at a distance of 2 millimeters from the wire?
35?
No, it's 3.5 times 10 to the negative 2 Teslas. Would that multiply that? Yeah, okay. 3.5 times 10 to the negative 2. Okay. 3.5 times 10 to the negative 2.
Is incorrect. The correct answer is 0.007. With that, we move to toss-up question 16 for both teams in energy short answer. Scientists supported by the Department of Energy are fitting data concerning 2 variables to a line of best fit. What is the term for this technique? B2.
Linear regression.
Is the correct answer for 4 points. Team B's bonus is in energy short answer. Scientists at Brookhaven National Lab are studying phi mesons. Which fundamental force mediates interactions between quarks inside a phi meson?
Isn't it just a strong nuclear force?
Strong nuclear force?
Yeah.
It's either that or weak, but I think it's strong.
Strong nuclear. Okay. Strong nuclear force.
Is the correct answer for 10 points. That moves us to toss-up question 17 in biology short answer. An alternative mechanism of action for Rubisco involves the use of oxygen as a interrupt A1.
Photorespiration.
Is the correct answer for 4 points. Team A's bonus is in biology multiple choice. Which of the following is true of mesoglia in jellyfish? W, it is a specialized muscle layer that helps control the movement of the jellyfish. X, it acts as the main skeletal support structure for the jellyfish. Y, it serves as the jellyfish digestive system. Z, it is a protective layer. Let me reread. It is protective outside layer that helps the jellyfish resist damage.
That implies it's the inside.
They're skeletal. Possibly digestive. Wait, do they have muscles?
You wrote down the word muscle. I don't know. Like
5 seconds.
Y
is incorrect. The correct answer, X. It's part of the skeletal support structure. We move to toss-up question 18, which is in chemistry multiple choice. In the basic oxygen process, what is the purpose of injecting oxygen into molten iron? W, to oxidize impurities and increase the purity of the iron. X, to reduce the temperature needed to melt the iron. Y, to prevent the formation of slag. Z, to increase the interrupt, B, Captain.
Z
is incorrect. I will reread the question in its entirety for Team A. In the basic oxygen process, what is the purpose of injecting oxygen into molten iron? W, to oxidize impurities and increase the purity of the iron. X, to reduce the temperature needed to melt the iron. Y, to prevent the formation of slag. Z, to increase the iron's carbon content. A3
W
is the correct answer for 4 points. Team A's bonus is in chemistry multiple choice. Which of the following carbon heteroatom single bonds has the smallest bond dissociation energy? W, carbon nitrogen. X, carbon oxygen. Y, carbon sulfur. Z, carbon chlorine.
Is it Y? Oh, yeah.
Y
is the correct answer for 10 points. Really big game. Really big. Well played to both teams. At the end of the game, we have Northern Hollywood scoring 108 points to Science Academy's 86. A hard-fought game by both teams. And congratulations to Northern Hollywood, who will be representing our regional at Nationals. Woo!